You are going to love the 2015 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, floor mats, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, compass, power windows, heated front seats, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.